Setting a PIN for your Axis Bank debit card is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Find Axis Bank ATM. Locate a nearby Axis Bank ATM that supports PIN setup. Use the Axis Bank website or mobile app to find the nearest ATM. Insert debit card. Insert your Axis Bank debit card into the card slot of the ATM. Select language. Choose your preferred language from the language selection menu displayed on the ATM screen. Choose PIN Setup. Look for an option on the main ATM screen that says Set PIN or PIN Change. Select this option to proceed. Enter current PIN if applicable. If you have an existing PIN and want to change it, enter your current PIN when prompted. Skip this step if setting a new PIN for the first time. Set new PIN. Enter a new PIN for your Axis Bank debit card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Confirm new PIN. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm it. Ensure that both entries match accurately. Confirm PIN change. The ATM will process the request and display a confirmation message indicating that your new PIN has been set successfully. Retrieve your card. The ATM will prompt you to remove your card. Make sure to take your card from the ATM before leaving. By following these steps, you can easily set a PIN for your Axis Bank debit card at an Axis Bank ATM.